Alright guys, I'm going to do Dirty Diesel here. I'm going to do a video on wandering steering. So if you have wandering steering, first off, your bushing, this is not a stock track bar. And this is a dropped bracket, so it's not going to look the same. But I did the upgrade. Your bushing here could be exploded. That's what mine was. It just splits in half and just wiggles back and forth. Or your track bar bracket, which this isn't going to look like yours unless you have an upgrade, but your track bar bracket could be loose. Or that side could be loose. That one could be loose there. That one could be loose there. That one could be loose there. Honestly, your leaf springs could be loose. Any of these connections could be loose. Even this connection here. I think that's about it for wandering steering. Oh, sorry. Your steering box could be bad. I bought a new steering box when I bought this with a pitman arm off a used truck. Sorry, used. But it was new to me because mine had play. When I had to have my mom get in there, she turned the wheel back and forth. You got to tell someone to jerk it back and forth real quick. You can't go slow steering. You have to go as tough as you can. And it was loose there. That shaft was loose. So I said, dang, I need a steering box. So got myself a steering box. But so that's another thing. Grease isn't going to make it loose. Grease helps it not get loose, as in not fail. So, but it's not going to make it loose. You can't grease it up and tighten up your steering. It's going to help it, but it's not going to fix it. So pretty much every steering connection and your track bar and all the mounts, you need to check everything up front. And then the next thing I'm going to do when it turns summer here, because it's winter, it just melting off. I got nowhere to even do it. I got no garage. I'm just like you guys, you know, most of you guys don't have garages. That's why I'm doing this video, you know, regular people at home. If you're a mechanic, you know, you're going to think you're a badass and you're not going to watch my videos, and good for you. So, but what I'm going to do is the leaf spring. I'm doing all new leaf spring bushings and shackle bushings, front and back on my, there's my dogger. Front and back on the leaf springs and the shackles. So, that wandering steering should be fixed if you could figure that out. Get someone in there, start your truck up. From what I've known to be true, you never want to move your steering on a Ford with the truck off. It'll blow out your seals. That's what I've heard anyways. I don't know why you'd try to move your wheel to test out looseness without the truck running, but get your truck running. And this truck takes automatic tranny fluid instead of power steering fluid. That's another thing you're going to want to know. If you put power steering fluid in it, you're going to ruin all your seals. You're going to ruin your steering box. And it's not going to be good. So that should take care of your wandering steering. Wandering steering. Sorry for the quick talk there. But Dirty Diesel out, guys. God bless you.